is focusing in on that mission with crystal clear results.
Right turn ahead, 35 miles per hour. Seeing the signs is essential for driving. But Nicole Darner couldn't see the signs without the help of her glasses.
So like that sign up in front of us says 45 miles an hour, and I can see that now, whereas before I could not.
Nicole's new focus is thanks to a revolutionary kind of contact lens called corneal refractive therapy, or CRT. She is one of the first in Arizona to try them.
Yeah, I'm seeing great. I have 20/20 vision pretty much right now.
The difference between these contacts and regular ones is what they're made of. The CRT lens is a special material which lets the eye take in a lot of oxygen, so they can be worn overnight, and that's the secret behind CRT. You don't wear them during the day like normal lenses. You only wear them when you sleep.
Here's how it works. Think of these balls of clay as your cornea. For a normal-sighted person, it's round in shape, whereas someone who's nearsighted, it's more oblong. And that's how the CRT lens works. It actually applies pressure, reshaping the eye, so that when you wake up and pop out the lens, you can see more clearly.
That does look nicely centered there.
Dr. Mark Page is Nicole's optometrist. He's one of a handful of eye doctors in Arizona, specially trained in fitting people with CRT lenses. He says the lenses provide the same benefits as LASIK surgery, but without all the risks. And it can also help people who have already had LASIK.
In the future, if someone has LASIK and their vision changes a little bit, the contact lens allows for making a change to the lens. So we can help keep clear vision without necessarily going through surgery again or having to wear glasses or contacts.
The CRT lenses are made here at Paragon in Mesa. President Joe Sakari is so confident in the lens's ability, he tried them first on himself.
The best decision I've ever made. I have the absolute freedom from the hassles of daytime contact lens wear and spectacles.
He says the CRT lenses are so safe, the FDA approved them to be used on children as young as 7 years old and on adults as old as 70.
That takes all the gunk off of it.
Back at Dr. Page's office, Nicole is pleased with her new look on life. After just a month of wearing the lenses, she has perfect vision.
It's definitely a cool experience to just take them out and be like, wow.
Okay, so a couple of things to keep in mind if you're interested in getting the CRT lenses. First, of course, as always, you should check with your eye care professional to see if you're even a candidate for these lenses. And keep in mind, once you stop wearing the contacts each night, your vision will return to its original state. The cost of the lenses, I'm sure you want to know, $500 to $1,000, depending on your eye doctor. If you'd like more information on getting CRT lenses, visit our website at Phoenix360.com. And what's the coolest thing? Local company.
It's amazing.
Yeah.